Hello, welcome and welcome back to this channel. My name is Nekesa. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming to learn Kenyan Sign Language. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Please make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section. So today we are learning about the different people that we find in schools. So I'm going to give signs for different and just random people we find in school. If I have forgotten any person that we find in school, please make sure you remind me. And the most important person that we find in school is a student. 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 And also they are called learners. 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 So this is learn, then this is person. So learners. Student, this is study, then student. Student, learner. Head teacher or principal. Head teacher. Head teacher. And some people just say the school boss. School boss. School boss. So you might use a teacher or use the school boss. Deputy head teacher. Some will sign deputy just under the school boss, deputy, or use deputy, D, deputy, deputy. Then you have teachers, teachers, teachers. If you're signing teachers in KSL, it is just teachers. If you're signing teachers in English, it is teachers. You have to put an S. Teachers. But now, because we are learning Kenyan Sign Language, it is just teachers. Then we have the guard, the person who guards the gate. So, guard. Guard. Some will sign horizontally, some will sign vertically. So it's guard or guard. Guard, guard. You call them watchmen, watchwomen, same thing, guard or guard. And then we have the support staff. Support staff. Support staff. Staff. ASF. Staff. In the support staff, we find that we have cooks. We have, if the school is a boarding school, then we have house mothers and house fathers. If your school calls them a different name, it is very okay. But mine, we always call them house mother or house father. And also we have a nurse. A nurse is a support staff. If you want me to sign any other word, any other person that we find in schools and I've not mentioned them, please leave that in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.